Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav has criticized the BJP-led Indian government for failing to protect Indians' interests abroad. He accused the government of not doing enough to counter arbitrary tariffs and steep visa fees imposed on Indians. This criticism comes at a time when India is navigating complex global trade relationships. In a demonstration of military might, the Indian Army conducted a high-intensity firepower exercise called Amok Fury in Rajasthan's desert. The exercise showcased the Army's combat platforms and firefighting doctrines, highlighting its readiness to respond to potential threat. The Border Security Forces (BSF) has taken a significant step toward enhancing its capabilities by incorporating drone warfare into its training curriculum. This move is aimed at equipping BSF personnel with the latest technology and tactics to counter emerging threats. The BSF has commissioned an innovation center to facilitate this training, demonstrating its commitment to staying ahead of the curve in modern warfare. The integration of drone warfare into the BSF training program is a testament to the growing importance of unmanned aerial system (UAS) in military operations. Drones have proven to be invaluable assets in surveillance and combat missions, offering precision strike capabilities and real-time intelligence gathering. By embracing drone warfare, the BSF is supposed to enhance its operational effectiveness and respond more effectively to emerging security challenges. Tensions continue to rise in Indian-occupied Kashmir, where Indian forces are conducting cordon and search operations. Residents are facing harassment, fears sparking concerns about human rights and ongoing conflict in the region. Situation in Kashmir remains volatile, with no clear resolution in sight. The Indian government has maintained a strong military presence in the region, which has led to the allegations of human rights abuses and suppression of dissent. The international community has called for a peaceful resolution to the conflict, but a lasting solution still remains elusive.